Come, let's go with rectifier. A rectifier in the sense converting AC to DC is accomplished by the process of rectification. Any electrical device which offer a low resistance to the current in one direction but a high resistance to the current in the opposite direction is called rectifier. Such a device is capable of converting a sinusoidal input waveform whose average value is 0 into a unidirectional waveform with a non-zero average component. A rectifier is a device which converts AC voltage, that means bidirectional, to pulsating DC voltage, which means unidirectional. Okay, this rectification having some characteristics. Any electrical device which offer low resistance to the current in one direction but a high resistance to the current in the opposite direction is called rectifier. Already I told to you. Such a device is capable of converting a sinusoidal input waveform whose average value is 0 into a unidirectional waveform. Okay. In this method, frame their various DC output voltage as function of DC load current is called regulation. The percentage of regulation defined as no load full minus full load by full load. So this rectification having two classification. One is half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, bridge rectifier. First, let us discuss half wave rectifier. A half wave rectifier which convert AC voltage into a pulsating voltage using only one half wave of the applied AC voltage. The AC voltage is applied to the rectifier circuit using step down transformer is a rectifying element. This PN junction diode and the source of AC voltage all connected is series. The AC voltage is applied to the rectifier circuit using step down transformer. It has some reasonable operation or for the positive half cycle of input AC voltage, the diode D is forward biased and it conducts. Now a current flows in the circuit and there is a voltage drop across R, load R. The waveform of the diode current or load current shown in the given PPT. For the negative half cycle of input, the diode D is reverse biased and it does not conduct. Now no current flows in the circuit. So current I equal to 0 and voltage V equal to 0. Thus, for the negative half cycle, no power is delivered to the load. Okay. This is expression for half wave rectification. This expression included with various number of current analysis parameters, that means DC output current, DC output voltage, RMS current, RMS voltage, rectifier efficiency, ripple factor, peak factor, percentage regulation, transformer utilization factor, form factor, output frequency, like this.